Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this very subtle but smoky look. I love it. It's like one of my favorites, and also I'm featuring the hair that I did tutorial on how to do your heatless tight curls overnight. Now time for the tutorial. I'm going to go in my Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to take out Eden. Now I'm going to grab my Too Faced glitter palette and I'm going to go with the black. Now I'm going to grab the black and put it on the lip. Now, top of the black, I'm going to place the saffron. I'm going to grab my blending brush and I'm going to grab the burnt orange and we're going to blend and smoke this out. This is the Morphe M441. Grab that Eden and go over that color once more. For the flat brush, this one is the M421 from Morphe. So now I'm going to grab these Ardell, or the 601. I bought these just to get like something different than what I usually get. They're okay when you layer them. I have some lashes on right now. Usually by themselves, I don't really like them. I just like when they bring like texture to what you already have. Now I'm going to be using my Smashbox primer. I like to make sure I prime all around here because I have bigger pores around my nose and under here. And I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation. Just catch that before it goes away. Just spray my face. The MAC setting spray. I'm going to use the LA Girl concealer. I like this too, but I like to go step by step. Like one side blend it because it really does dry out fast. I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier powder. I'm not going to leave it on there for too long. is like my favorite brush because it's like an egg shape and you can just get under your eye like that so perfectly. This is my Hoola bronzer brush. I'm gonna go with my Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna grab Shadow Play. I'm gonna contour my nose with a very thin brush like this. So now I'm gonna blend. And of course, we're not gonna leave it like that. Now I'm going to use the Morphe angled brush and I'm going to grab my Hoola bronzer. This is the Makeup Revolution blush palette. This is the Ultra blush palette, the Hot Spice blush palette. I'm going to go with this color right here. I'm going to grab a brush like this. I prefer a brush like this that's a little bit more precise. I like to use this preferably for my highlight. So I just mix a few colors, the Sunburst, the Dripping and Golden Bubbly. I like to grab a big fluffy brush I can use for blush, but also I like to go blend everything out. I get my Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna go under my eye with saffron and oil. Just smoke the under of my eye.
I don't know, if I never do that, if I don't do that, I feel like my makeup is not complete.
Line my waterline. This is the NYX just black liner. I don't line all the way in, just the corner of my eye. Just makes your eyes larger than just rounding them out. You make them smaller than what they are. And I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Line my lips with the NYX Suede liner. This is the Huda Beauty Mousse liquid lipstick. I'll go in a little bit with just a little bit more blush. I'm gonna spray it. We can wear our hair down like this, or we can put it bit more up. I think I'm feeling something more like this today. I love it. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel. I'm going to link it down below. Our name on that channel is going to be J Family, and it's spelled J-A-E Family, and we're there and we're going to be doing some cool and interesting videos for you guys there, so I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Love you.